Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial I am going to discuss what is the class and what is the object. Okay, like suppose that if we are going to construct any building, so before the start the construction of building, we will need to create a diagram, right? You can see that is map of the building. Okay, so after the created the map, then we will plan to construct the building. So here the map is a class and the building is a object. It means the class is a blueprint of the object. An object is a real world entity. And if I talk like what is object, so everything which we are seeing in real world entity, okay, which has state and behavior, that is known as the object. Okay, object has some characteristic like states and behavior. It has some properties as well as it can do something. Okay, that is known as the object, whereas the class is a blueprint of object. Okay, class cannot do anything. Like here when we are drawing the paper, drawing the map of the building, then in that case paper cannot do anything, right? Paper is just a blueprint of object. But here the real things is our building. Same types in Java when we are creating the class, right? So this is a blueprint of object, and when we are creating the object, at that time it will occupy the memory spaces in the memory. Okay, now let me show how we create the class in Java and then how we call the object. Okay, this is the Eclipse. So first of all, I am going to create one normal Java project in this Eclipse. How we create? We can go with the file, new keyword, then project. Here you will get multiple options, but expand the Java option. Then Java project. Click on next. Okay, give the some name here, like I am giving tutorial Java. Click on finish. Once you will click finish, you will see in the package explorer there is a project is created, and here JRE is automatically added. What is the JRE? In last video we have discussed, this is the Java runtime environment which will provide the some library as well as the JVM tool, right? It contains both things. And this is the SRC. So everything what Java code we need to create under the SRC folder. So Eclipse will automatically compile the code which we are going to add in the SRC folder. So this is the source folder. Let me create first a package. So what is a package? Package is just collection of a similar type of Java. Like I'm going to create one com.test. This is a package. Okay, in package we can define the class, like I am going to create main class. Okay, so when we are creating a class, then this will start from a keyword like this class keyword. Okay, so using the class keyword, we can create class in Java. First argument, first word, this is a public, this will give us the accessibility. Okay, and this means that this class can be accessible from anywhere. Okay, publicly we can access this class. We will discuss more in the access modifier class. There are different type of access modifier we can use. Okay, so this is our class name, this is the user defined name. If we are creating a class as public, then our class name as well as the file name should be same. Now I'm going to create one main method. Okay, this is the main method. Now next, I'm going to create another class. This class is a class where we create some method to add the two numbers, okay, and print on console. So how we do that? Use the class keyword, okay, and give the class name. This user defined main name. I can give you CLC calculator, okay, and then we can use the curly bracket. Okay, this curly bracket, opening curly bracket, and this is the closing curly bracket, and this part is known as the body of a class. Okay, and here I am not using the access modifier. So why? Because we can create only one public class in a single Java file. Now I'm going to add here two variables, variable one for integer a, second for integer b. Okay, next, another variable I am going to create. This variable holds the result after adding a plus b. Now I am going to create one method. Okay, this is method name is sum, and here I will add two integer number equal to a plus b and store into a result variable. Now I am going to print this result. Okay, so a class can do something. Okay, it means we can define some method. Method is just collection of some code which are grouped to perform some specific task. We will discuss more details in the next video, next tutorial. What is a method, what is function. Okay, and now this is a class. You can see this class cannot do anything. We have just defined here the blueprint of a class. Now when we create the object of this class, then in that case it will store, will occupy the space in the memory, and then with the help of using object we can execute the method, and we can also set the values into the corresponding variable. How we create the object, right? First we will create the reference variable. Okay, so this CLC, I'm giving one reference variable name CALC. This is user defined. We can give any name, like I'm giving object. Okay, in next we can create object and store into the this obj, this reference variable. How we create the object? In Java we are using new keyword to create the object. So we need to call the new keyword, then CLC class name, like this. Okay, so what it will do, it will create the object of the class CALC and store into a reference variable obj. Okay, now our object is created. Okay, so we can create this in a single line like this. Okay, and next, now I'm going to set the values. Then I will call the a equal to like 100, object dot b equal to 200. Okay, then next I'm going to call object dot sum method. When I will call object dot sum method, it will call this method and it will add the number which we have set here, 100, 200, and it will print on the, it will store into the result and print on the console. Like 300. Okay, so now let me recall those things. What is class? Class is just a blueprint of object. It cannot do anything without object. Okay, so we can create a class where we can put some states and behavior. Means a class can do something and also it has some characteristics. Okay, so now how we create the object of class? We are creating the object of class with the help of using new keyword. New keyword is responsible to create the object of a class. Okay, and this here I am just creating a reference variable of class. In right side this code, here I am creating the object of a class. Hope this will help to get more understanding, like what is the class, what is the object, how we are creating the object, how we are creating the classes. In next video we will discuss more, and we will also create some more classes by different methods, different types of methods. Okay, and so if you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it, like it and share. Thanks for watching the video.